Adding a menu in WordPress is a straightforward process. Here's how you can do it. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Go to your WordPress site's admin panel by visiting yourdomain.com/wp-admin. Navigate to the menu settings. From the dashboard, go to Appearance Menus. Create a new menu. If no menu exists, you will see an option to create one. Click Create a new menu. Give your menu a name and click Create Menu. Add items to your menu. Use the left-hand panel to select items to add, such as Pages. Select pages like Home or Contact. Custom links. Add external links by entering a URL and a label. Categories. Add post categories to the menu. After selecting, click Add to Menu. Organize and save. Drag and drop menu items to reorder them or create submenus. Once satisfied, click Save Menu. Assign the menu to a location. Under Menu Settings, select where the menu should appear. Save your changes.